Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating vintage style card for Lemoncraft and I'm using Sense and Sensibility collection from Lemoncraft. This is one of my favorite collections. I just love all the papers here and I created many projects with it in the past. I also have few video tutorials with those papers, so you can always go back to my channel or to Lemoncraft channel and see other projects created with that collection. And I have chosen three papers to create the card: brown paper, blue, and brown with blue roses. So I'm going to create few layers on the card, and I'm starting with that brown paper, which will go straight on the card, and I will be using glue to adhere it. And then I'm going to create two smaller layers with the other strips of paper. The blue paper is slightly bigger than the one with the roses, and I'm going to rip off the edges of both papers. And of course, I will keep those leftovers for my future project. Before I will stick those two papers together, I'm going to use the tracing wheel on the paper with roses. I will go with it around the edges and it will create nice border, and also it will bring the edges of the paper up. Then I'm going to attach double-sided foam pads to both of my papers. Next, I will just stick them to each other, and then I will stick them to the card. To decorate my card, I have chosen few embellishments. I also have some die-cut leaves, paper doilies, some flowers, not too many elements, just a few to create to make this card really interesting. So I will be using hot glue to attach all the elements on my card, but you can also use just craft glue or silicone glue, whatever you prefer. For some elements I'm going to use double-sided foam pads as well. I really like to create dimensional cards, so this card will be like that as well. I decided not to add any sentiment to the card because I thought I can do it later. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, and this card can be used in many different occasions because the pattern on the paper is suitable for birthday, for wedding, and so I thought I'm going to add some writing later. I finished the flower composition, and I'm also going to add one ribbon bow, and then I will blend everything together with white gesso. This is not necessary step. Not everyone like to use gesso, but it will give the shabby chic look to my card. That's why I decided to use it. I'm adding last element to my card, and this is a brown gem, and then I'm going to blend everything together with white gesso. I'm using ordinary kitchen sponge cut into pieces and grab a little bit of gesso and then go on my elements with it. And this is it for today. My card is ready. I hope you like the video and I hope you like the card. It's I really enjoyed making that video for you. Please subscribe to Lemoncraft and to my YouTube channel. You can also visit Lemoncraft blog for many inspirations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.